Introducing the MoQi Phone Charging Furniture DIY Kit. The DIY kit designed for provide unlimited power supply for workplace application. MoQi contain one PCS of 3-in-1 retractable charging cables and one set of wireless charging pad. No matter what brand your phone is, you can use it to charge your phone in the way you like. MoQi is also suitable for hotel, restaurant, bars, cafes, and anywhere. User can charge 2 devices at the same time by one at MoQi. The product is very easy to install. First, we need a hole. Then, install the power station with 3 simple actions. Finally, connect power. That's it. MoQi can provide unlimited power to your device with keep your desktop tidy.